It's going to be a hectic day at work. Oh, I think I should grab a coffee before leaving for office. It will keep me active whole day.
Welcome, madam. What would you like to have?
It's like a new coffee shop here in town.
Yes, madam. We have just started a few days back.
Oh wow. I would like to have one cappuccino with molten lava cake.
Sure, madam. Please wait for 10 minutes. Here is your coffee with molten lava cake, madam. I hope you like the taste.
Thank you.
Hi, Tommy. Oh, hello, Tommy. It's been a long time. Where have you been all these years?
Oh hi Kyle. It was really unexpected to see you here today.
I know you are angry at me. Can't you give me a second chance, Tammy?
How can you forget that you had cheated on me with other girl? I was heartbroken and alone, but you didn't care, Kyle.
I am ashamed. I literally am. I miss you. I want you back. Please tire me.
I am sorry, Kyle. But I can't give you a second chance as you hurt my feelings. You hurt my self-esteem.
But...
No, Kyle. I don't want any explanation. I won't allow anyone to play with my feelings or my emotions. I can't tolerate that. Because I love myself. And no one is allowed to hurt me.
But I love you, Tammy.
No, Kyle, you don't love me. You never had loved me. Because if you did, you would have cared for my dignity and had respected my feelings. I already have moved on in my life. Goodbye, Kyle. I am getting late for my office.